I'm actually vacuuming. And I'll explain how my day is going later on in this vlog because actually it's not going that great. Y'all might.
I thought today would go real good.
Stepping in an ant pile and playing the Mechan. You think that's real good? I'll tell y'all later.
It's not for the faint of heart.
Okay. So it is like 1:06. So while Grandma's emptying out the vacuum so I can vacuum, I'm gonna tell you how my day's been going. Okay, we woke up this morning 8:30, made breakfast for Michaela. She went to school. I got a shower. She came back here. Charlie, huh? Yeah, we cleaned up the kitchen. Charlie and Mama showed up. I made sweet tea, obviously. But let's see. I was supposed to get my nails done today, but long story short, that changed to Sunday. So we were all gonna help work in the yard. If you can't hear the weed eater, we were all gonna help work in the yard. So I went to Grandma's car to go get the other rake because we had our rake and she has her rake. So I was gonna help Michaela rake up the stuff in the yard. Needless to say, I stepped in the ant pile that Grandma stepped in yesterday. So, needless to say, instead of me actually ending up outside helping rake, I'm inside vacuuming. I skipped a lot of details in between, but if that ain't a bad day, I don't know what is.
Vacuum is not my favorite.
It ain't mine neither.
No, I mean, we're done.
Oh, for the title of the vlog?
Vacuum is not my favorite day.
That's a good title for the vlog. Thank you for that.
You're welcome. There you go.
Now I guess I need to go set this up so I can vacuum. Yeah, you can. Alright you guys, it's 10:06 at night. I'm about to go to bed. But if you like today's video, thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. I don't know if I told you guys this, but Austin did come this afternoon. He's here with us at Grandma's house. Going to the game with us tomorrow. I know I told you guys he was going to the game with us. But what else? Yeah, vacuuming is not my favorite thing to do ever, but you know. But like I said, if you like today's video, thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.